Hi, I'm Chris Giordano with Differentials-plus, and this is Road Ready. Today I want to talk about vehicle no-start conditions. There are many things in the vehicle that can cause your vehicle not to start. Some of the simplest would be a battery and a starter. But with modern electronics, it could also be sensors in the engine. For instance, a crankshaft position sensor, sometimes even a camshaft position sensor, will cause your vehicle to crank but not start. Fuel pumps, security systems, there are a whole magnitude of issues that can cause your vehicle not to start. With modern automobiles, it's very important to see a qualified technician to help in the diagnostic of your no-start condition. If you have any questions about your car, you can find us at 6714 Middle Valley Road. You can reach us at 423-355-1872. You can find us on Facebook at Differentials Plus, or you can find us on the web, differentials-plus.com.